Alrighty folks, D-Doc here again. Hey, I didn't expect it to kind of happen this fast. Why, just a few short minutes ago, it was just little small snowflakes coming in, but if you can catch a glimpse there, don't know how the focus is. It's always different on the viewing screen than it comes out on the computer screen. But those snowflakes got pretty big. I mean, we're talking inch or two big around, and they're coming down. And like I said, I didn't expect it to happen this quickly, but as you can see, it's picking up on the sidewalks, on the road. The wind is picking up. Methinks the blizzard conditions are setting in. Well, I'll keep you all posted, and we'll take a look later and see how the progression is. Thanks for viewing and commenting.